Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. Lord of mercy, I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a showing off good Monday and a good start to a new week. And I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, at least it ain't raining today. But what I want to make mention of, if you are new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what I got going on over here, thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is that wheatgrass fodder system that I've been working on in my chicken coop. So give me a second, we finna walk over yonder and I'm gonna show you what's this doing. How in the heck did you get in there? All right, y'all, we are in my chicken coop. About 2 weeks ago, I built a contraption of sorts to house some wheatgrass that I was going to try to get to grow for my hens so they could have fresh grass, get on back, so they could have fresh grass or fresh wheatgrass or something green just to nibble on throughout the summer. I'll point you down and I'm going to show you what it's looking like so far. Look at there. I'm here to tell you, it is growing quite nicely. I'm just tickled pink, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna close the lid and show you. All right, that is with the lid closed. And as you can tell, the wheatgrass has not grown high enough where it's starting to pop up. It is right here maybe, but it's not grown up tall enough to start popping through this hardware cloth. And I still have a little barrier around the wheatgrass, the fodder box for now. I don't know how I had a chicken get in here. I don't know how she got in here. But anyways, I'm here to tell you, I was getting kind of worried there for a minute because when I planted this stuff out, we got almost a week's worth of rain. And I'm talking about some showing off drenching rain. And I was thinking that the rain was actually going to push these seeds down into the mud, into the soil, giving those seeds a hard time to come up through the soil to start growing. But then again, wheatgrass it just goes to show you how resilient wheatgrass is. It grows really good. So this is just a little update on how the wheatgrass is growing. It's growing really good. There's a few little spots here and there, like one there and one back there, but that's okay. Now I know that I could actually utilize the system, throw out the germinated wheatgrass seeds, and it will grow. So we finna chalk that up as a success. Well, 3/4 success. It's still got to grow through the shade, through the hardware cloth, so these chickens can get after it. But I wanted to take the time today to do a little update. It's not raining right now. We still slated for some rain throughout the week, but it's not going to be anything torrential like it was last week and a week before that. So I'm thankful for that. And it's probably going to take about a month, probably, for the ground over here at my home in the sticks just to dry up just a little bit. But that's okay. We got a little bit of sunshine and it's not raining, so I'm thankful for that. All right, so I wanted to give you and y'all just a little update on the wheatgrass fodder system that I had growing in my chicken coop. Looks like it's gonna work, and hopefully within the next week or so, I'll do another little small update video when I take that barrier down from around the box and maybe get some of the hens and Mr. Rooster eating on some of that good wheatgrass. It's gonna be a short video, y'all. And again, I hope everybody is having a showing off good Monday and a safe Monday and a good start to the week. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on, because it's showing off important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.